Come all ye young lasses, what hae ye been so sleepy and drowsy? I ken by your een. In all the wide world you'll never find a friend like the lads that were reared among the heather. Oh, be your satins, your silks and your shawls, your swannies and your betties and your elegant ball, for a dance in the barns worth 10 in the hall, with the lads that were reared among the heather. Take a walk round your cities, broad buildings outside, gaze on their splendours and wonder with pride. Fine ships have been built on the banks of the Clyde by the lads that were reared among heather. Oh, be your satins, your silks and your shawls, your swannies and your petties and your elegant ball, for a dance in the barns worth 10 in the hall, with the lads that were reared among heather. When the Queen wants some sodgers, she kens where to send, to the mountains and the valleys, the hills and the glens, with her bonnets and plaids, the right through to the end of the lads that were reared among heather. Oh, be your satins, your silks and your shawls, your swannies and your petties and your elegant ball, for a dance in the barns worth 10 in the hall, with the lads that were reared among heather. Now England can boast o' the sweet-scented rose, and Ireland can boast o' the shamrock she grows. But give me the land where the clear water flows, and the mountains high covered with heather. Oh, be your satins, your silks and your shawls, your swannies and your petties and your elegant ball, for a dance in the barns worth 10 in all, with the lads that were reared among heather. Oh, be your satins, your silks and your shawls, your swannies and your petties and your elegant ball, for a dance in the barns worth 10 in all, with the lads that were reared among heather.
unrelenting cruelties of the Duke of Cumberland spared neither age, sex, nor condition, and Scotland for a while realised the prophecy of Peden, which foretold that the time was nigh when her people might ride 50 miles among her hills and valleys, and no find a reeking hoose, nor hear a crowing cock.
Oh, I am come to the low country. Achon, achon, achree, without a penny in my purse to buy a meal to me. At home I had 80 ewes. Achon, achon, achree, skipping on yon bonny nose and casting woe for me. Till Charlie Stewart came at last. Achon, achon, achree, my Donald's arm was wanting then for Scotland, aye, and for me. Their woeful fate, what need I tell? Achon, achon, achree, my Donald and his country fell upon Culloden field.